You borrow my brain for 5 seconds and just be like, dude, can't handle it. Unplug this bastard. Yeah, because it fires in a way that is.
Jak jsem došáhnul do toho, to jsem chytnul blbě. Teď jsem úplně měl hrozný problémy přesunout tu patu a dojít do toho. A hrozný problémy zvednout tuhle nohu, ale pak to, co mě většinou, že už jsem tak odpadával, když jsem přesunoval nohu sem, tak bylo najednou nějaký jako v pohodě docela, no.
More than anybody could survive, you know.
What are we talking about? How much?
I don't know, man. I was banging 7-gram rocks and finishing them because that's how I roll. I have one speed, I have one gear. Go. And I was banging 7-gram rocks. Because I'm me.
You don't worry that you're going to die when you take that many drugs?
Dying's for fools. Especially when you see how I party, man. It was epic. The run I was on made Sinatra, Flynn, Jagger, Richards, all of them just look like, you know, droopy-eyed, armless.